Chicken pudding. Cut up as for fricassee and parboil, seasoning well with pepper, salt, and a lump of butter the size of an egg to each chicken. The fowls should be young and tender, and divided at every joint. Stew slowly for half an hour. Take them out and lay on a flat dish to cool. Set aside the water in which they were stewed for your gravy. Make a batter of 1 quart of milk, 3 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons melted butter, half a teaspoonful soda, and 1 spoonful of cream tartar, with 4 eggs well beaten and a little salt. Put a layer of chicken in the bottom of the dish and pour about half a cupful of batter over it, enough to conceal the meat. Then another layer of chicken, and more batter, until the dish is full. The batter must form the crust. Bake 1 hour in a moderate oven, if the dish is large. Beat up an egg and stir into the gravy which was set aside. Thicken with 2 teaspoonfuls of rice or wheat flour. Add a little chopped parsley. Boil up and send it to table in a gravy boat.